So good morning everyone, and the third reporter in my report is project team meetings and earned value analysis. First is project team meetings of project teams are necessary and often helpful. The main complaint are that they are interminably long and come to no conclusion in waste of time. So ang meetings jud is very important sa every project kay dinhaman ang mga decision making and mga strategies about inyong project, and also dinhaa pud ang mga ideas about kung sa idea niyo sa inyong mga project. And also daghan pa reklamo because uban meeting is taas kaya murag wala siya padunggan, pero importante gyapon isa ka meeting bisan pag long siya and wala gyud padunggan or murag wala pud sa isa ka meeting. And it has implicitly assumed that reports are written and dismissed by hard copy, email, or by internet more often. However, all three types of report are delivered in face-to-face meeting and in telephone conference. So usually is usually not ang mga report is written lang siya like email, pero mas common din siya naging discuss through meetings or calls gani, conference calls. And also mas prefer sa mga manager na face to face siya ang project na i-meeting kay para ma-update sila sa update sa isa ka project, and also ang sa process sa isa ka project. And usually po ang meeting pwede siya mahimong formal or casual lang, pero importante gyapon kinain yung mga respecting others and na po the more relevant important information. Next is simple rules can remove most of the problem associated with meetings. We have 5 problems. First is use meetings for making group decision or getting input or for important problems. Avoid show and tell meetings, sometimes called status and review. If latter type of meeting has been used to keep project team members informed about what others are doing on project, insist that such information be communicated personally or electronically by relevant individuals to relevant. So, sa first is, ang meeting dyan is ginagamit lang siya for mga important decision making, also kung magkawa mga ideas about sa mga project and also sa mga problema sa isa ka project, din ang mga solution. And also, dili may permi maghimo og show under or gina-istorya lang ang mga report and or kanang status or meetings nga purpose lang kay maghatag og update or unsay ginabuhat sa kada member. If kanang ingana lang is mas better na siya gina-update lang through mga email of mga dili importante. If importante na siya, mag-call na siya meeting personally. And second is have present starting and stopping time as well as a meeting agenda. Stick with the boat, and above all, do not penalize those who show up on time by making them wait for those who are tardy. So, if mo og meeting, mag-call mo, dapat inyong agenda is ginasunod yun niya. Also, if namoy time ginabuhat, magbuhat mo og kanang what time mo mag-end. And also, dapat na sunod din ang starting time and also ang ending time. Kay lain sa is ang mga uban nagsayo kapag nahulat pa mo itong mga analytes. So, if mo na ang start sa inyong time na magsugod is magsugod na siya nung kadili niyo waste ang oras sa mga nagsayo. And also, mag-stick yun mo sa agenda na inyong buhat. And third is make sure that everyone do their homework prior to the meeting and be prepared. So there is a third is if na may meeting pagkaugma, so dapat yung mga mo attend sa meeting is prepare sila, and also kabalo sila sa about sa pang meetingan about anang adlaw, and also para makabalo sila and dagan sila yung mga suggest and mga ideas about ana. And fourth is the chair and the meeting must be have his own meetings. Reality is too important to be left to the junior person. So there it is. So ang leader o chair meeting of ano meeting, siya dapat ang mismo mag-take siya sa iyang notes. Dili lang niya isalip sa pinaka-junior sa iya ko. Di ba, importante kay ang minutes sa isa ka meeting ka. Di na habi ang mga record, mga official record, at sa mga nahitabo sa isa ka meeting or meeting. And 5 is avoid attributing remarks or review to individuals in minutes. Attribute makes people quite wary about what they say in meetings and dance. 80. So, if kanang mag-mention na ka about sa minutes is nagtahay na ka-mention about ano na idea. Dili na ka mag-specific name drop ana kung kinsa ning istorya. Specific na lang siya tanan na kanang select na lang hatag sa isa ka idea ka. If specific man sa isa ka person is ang isa ka itong naghatag og ibang idea kay murag nawala ang gigana or ma-disappoint ka, wala na acknowledge ilahang idea. And also pag ibuhat na nimo kanang i-generalize nimo is ma-encourage po ng uban ka-member nimo or kauban nimo sa isa ka project. And next is 6 is avoid overly formal rules of proceed. A project meeting is not permanent through courtesy is always in order. So 6 is pag na may meeting is dili pud kayo super formal in yung meeting nga mag ang uban ka-meeting nimo is maulo na sila mo hatag sa ilang idea kay super formal na gani. So if magpakaan kang meeting is kanang simple lang, dili ka sa kadagan mga rules ninyo pero nagyapon ang respeto and also sa mga respect sa mga istorya. And 7 is if a serious problem or crisis arise, call a meeting for purpose of dealing in a problem that has to be solved. So 7 is kung na-jud siya ka ng serious problem or crisis sa isa ka company is mag-call na dyan mag-conference meeting kaya parang nasugad din yung isa ka issue din So next is common reporting problems. There are 3 common difficult problem in project reports. First is there is usually too much detail both in report themselves and can input being related from other. So, first problem is too much details sa isa ka report. Kay kasagaran is sobra sa ka-detail ang report is tapula na gani magbasa and also malisod na pangita sa isa ka importante nga information. And also mag-waste siya all time kung taas na kayo yung binabutan and also malisod na magbasa. So, dapat mag-himo ka is kanang dili siya sobra kataas and also makita dali ang mga important information. And next is, second is, major problem is the poor interface between the project information system and parent firms. Information system data are commonly comparable and interaction between the PM and organization accountant. So, sa second problem is poor system connection. So, dili good ang connection between project system ug sa isa ka company system. So ang mga dikita is dili siya mag-match ug malisod ang coordination of PM accountant anak malisod sila if ang data is dili mag-match, so ilahad ang problema. So if ang kana dapat pangitaan ang solution na para dili malisod ang isa ka project system mo also para dali ra ma-detect ang data. And next, the third problem is concern poor correspondence between the planning and the monitoring system. If the monitoring system is not tracking information directly related to the project plans, control is meaningless. So the third problem is ang third problem is planning versus monitoring, mismatch information. So kung dili ang monitoring system align sa project plan is useless ang control. Kay meaning kung unsa ang giplan mao dapat ang naa sa gi-track para makita kung on track ba ang isa ka project o dili ba. So next is earned value analysis. The monitoring of performance for the entire project is also crucial because performance is the reason trajectory of the project. Individual task performance must be monitored carefully because the timing and coordinate between is important. So ang earned value is means kaning pag-monitor siya sa overall performance sa isa ka project para makita if ang project ba is na siya sa tamang schedule o sa budget o sa mga process. Ang importante kayo nga bantayan ang kada sa isa ka individual o so ang isa ka task because connected pa sila sa silang panghimo sa project. Pero importante gyapon ang overall performance sa isa ka project kay isa ra man gyapon sila. So, ang earned value is muna siya ang method unsaon siya pag-measure nga ginagamit para mahibalaan kung unsa nakadako ang na-accomplish compared sa oras o budget na ginamit nila. And that's all. Thank you.